Metal or chrome look is one of the popular styles that we can see in motion and graphic designs. It has a feeling of cleanness and tangibility that elevates the design. That is why we have a title pack called Chrome Titles, with 40 different styles of chromatic typography suitable for films and music videos. But what I want to do with it today is like a hidden feature that you might miss when using the pack. Here I have imported two items of the pack, element number 9 and 26. Each element has its own After Effects project that can be used separately. You can see that each one is giving me a kind of chromatic surface and animation applied to a title. Let me start with the bolder one. If I open the comp, you see that there is a text placeholder for you to replace your own title, and when you open it, there is a text layer inside it. But what I've done here is that I've imported a logo. So when I turn off the text layer and turn on the logo, guess what happens? The chromatic effect is now applied to the logo. The animation, the material, the bump map and everything is now set based on the characteristics of the logo. Now, if I go to the other element and turn on the brand name as well, you can see that we've got a complete logo animation out of it, and it looks slick, like it's been designed for this. This effect works with everything that you put in the placeholder, like a simple circle that turns into this not so simple circle after the effects are applied to it. Now, where does this leave us? Well, we have 40 different styles in the Chrome title pack, and many possibilities to try with this chromatic effect to elevate graphics aside from the obvious title sequence that it offers. So you can try it on anything you want and see what the result would be. Check the link in the description that leads you to the Chrome title page if you're interested to try it, or go to pixflow.net to check other products. Good luck!